apart. Move my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date to all our videos, and make sure you hit that notification button so you can get notified when we post all our videos. So guys, welcome to Indiana. Beautiful state, beautiful day. I'm outside of Indianapolis, an hour and a half from Indianapolis right now. Flew into Indianapolis this morning and made the drive over to Muncie, Indiana. Muncie's a nice city. I was not expecting it to be this big. Indianapolis, there's a lot in store there too. I saw a Topgolf driving through, K1 go-karts, so there's a lot in store in Indianapolis. I've flown in there before at the Courtyard by Marriott. It's a nice hotel. Room's beautiful. I'll show you guys here in a little bit what the room looks like. There's ample storage, nice lighting features. Beds look nice, carpet's nice. So I'll show you guys that here in a little bit once I do the room tour. So thanks for joining us, guys, and let's get to the room tour. Alright guys, welcome to my room. So here's the main room that I'm going to go show you guys here in a little bit. We'll make it immediate left once we get in. This is the bathroom. This thing is huge. Nice tile floor throughout. A nice counter right here. Got a little shelf for toiletries, which is pretty cool. Got a shower. There's a shower. Shower could be nicer. That drain looks a little gross right there. See nicer showers, but it'll get the job done. So, and then over here is the toilet. And then coming out of the bathroom, we got a double door feature, looks like. So if you have a lot of people, you can get two different rooms, combine the rooms so you can go back and forth, which is a pretty nice feature. Most hotels have that. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like we got a closet. So a closet with storage for clothes, iron board. And I got carpet throughout the main room. Carpet's in really good shape, which is always nice. I'm a big fan of having nice carpet, as you guys know from now doing these room tours this year with me. So it's always nice to have a nice clean carpet. Here is one of the beds. Got a nice little accent piece right here behind the bed. That's pretty cool looking. And then I got some nice wallpaper on this wall. And in between the beds is a mirror, which usually is not there, so that's kind of a new feature. Usually there isn't a mirror in between the beds where the nightstand is, so that's something new. And then you just have alarm clock, phone with a generic nightstand there. And then over here we have another bed, and then in the corner we got a nice lamp and a chair to lounge in. Got a little desk area, so we'll sit down area to put your shoes on there. Looks like probably just some drawers for clothes and stuff. It's really smooth drawers. Very lubricated. The thing pulled out like really nice and smooth. So just got some storage for your clothes if you want to take your clothes out of your luggage and put them away. I usually don't do that, but some people do. And we got a little desk area here with an office chair. Got a flat screen TV. It's a smart TV. As you can see on the remote, they have Netflix right there at the top, so it's always a nice feature. They've got charging ports. So they got a USB port and just regular plugs for phones and stuff like that to charge. Got some nice lighting right here. So that's turn it off, turn it on. So nice little lighting if you're working at night or something. You don't want it too crazy bright in here. It's nice lighting at the desk area for you. And then we got a nice little area over here as well. Another nice lamp right here. And I'm guessing this is probably the switch to turn that on. And it is. And nice lighting right here, nice feature. Got a nice lampshade on it. And then over here we got a little coffee area. So we got coffee to make in the morning with some more plugs over here. Let's see what's in this cabinet. Microwave, little mini fridge. It's always a bonus to have that. At the top you got a ice bucket for drinks and everything, so it's always nice to have that stuff, especially the microwave. I don't think I've had a microwave in a lot of my rooms this year, so that's always nice to have if you want to warm up some food. And we'll see what we got in here. Just another cabinet for whatever you want to put in there. I don't know what would go in there, but if you have clothes or shoes or something, also put some stuff in there for storage. So, and that's really the wrap up of the room, and then I'll show you guys my view. So here's the view. This beautiful day out here in Indiana, clear blue skies. So we got a view of the town here. So this is a Lost at Roberts. I'm not sure what that is. That's a building right across from me. Got some office buildings over here. And it looks like a little park to walk around there. So once he took me by surprise, it was a lot bigger than I expected. So driving in, there's a lot of stuff. So, but that's the room tour. I'll see you guys here in a little bit. I'll close out the video. So what do you guys think of the room? Not bad, right? Nice view, overlooking some buildings, looking over a park here in Muncie, some other buildings as you guys saw in the video as I was showing you the view. So the view's not bad. Beautiful day as you guys saw. Room's really nice. The only thing that's really kind of mediocre is the shower. The shower could be a little cleaner. But the carpets are really nice, wallpaper is nice, it's a nice clean room, and there's a lot of storage. But that's a wrap on the room tour. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it. Hopefully everybody's enjoying these videos I'm doing of these room tours. Hopefully it's helpful for people that are staying in these areas. I've been all over the place, so hopefully somebody's gained some knowledge out of it and seen the room and be like, oh, this is awesome. Because like I've said in the past, sometimes hotels don't really showcase their rooms to the fullest. It's either good or bad in a way, so hopefully these are helpful for people. So, but thanks for joining us, guys. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.